So in this tutorial, I'm going to create a solid music with Suno AI. So I'm just going to give it lyrics and it's going to generate the song for me. Let's hop into the tutorial. So I'm going to use DeepSeek to, do that for me. So this was the prompt I gave DeepSeek to generate an Afrobeat type of song lyrics for me. And it's about the hardship in Africa, something like that. So now I come here, hop on Suno AI, create an account here, and then I tap on the create here. Yes. So on the create here, it should take me to this page here. So I paste my lyrics here. So after pasting my lyrics here, what I need to do is enter the style. So I just enter Afrobeat. Good. So now you can come on here to, do a lot of filtering here, the style and everything, the title of the song. Let me come here. Let me try copy this, which is Ctrl+C to come here and then paste with the rise here. Good. Now I have it here. Now let me try removing something like this. I'm not going to remove all because this is just tutorial. So now let's proceed to create our music. So we tap on the create here and then let's wait for some time. Good. And you can see it here. Afrobeat is generating. Get to listen. So if you are creating videos and you need music as something like a cover music, you can hop on here, then create free music and then add it to your videos. Lower this thing and then add it to it. So if you want to create a lot of music, you can go with the premium version and that one will be best for you. So now our music is here. So now let's wait a bit for it to load. Yeah, so that's it. So with this, you can create a lot of music. So the lyrics, you just need to open an AI, any AI, something like that. So this was the thing the person was singing here. So they have a lot of vocals. With this, you can change the vocals and everything here. I didn't want to go to all that. It's very much stressing for me. So after that, to download your music you generated, tap on this here. You can see the download here. You download it in MP3 or the WAV or even a video. If you want to, upload it with lyrics, you just download the video, move to CapCut and then auto caption, and then you upload it on a YouTube channel or anything like that. So that's it on how you can create solid music with Suno AI or with AIs on the internet for free. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.